the fruits of the labor. This is the fruits of the labor, bro. 2-bedroom in the sky. This is the fruits of labor. I don't know if it's possible. It's possible, trust me. I'm no different than you. I just turned 22. I recorded maybe like 5-6 different clips for the project. Woke up, gave value. We about to continue to give value, and now we go see if we can make some money. Cause that 1 hour gap is the only area I have. There's no 4 hour, no 3 hour, no nothing above. Damn, we all getting left behind. Cause you gotta be 18 to make a broker account. I was 17 when I was learning how to trade. I was 17 already looking at being in Miami. I was 17 looking at Rolls Royces, looking at trying to make money online. Use that. Ooh. Penthouse for this view. It's crazy. Like the main reason, bro, I trade, I do any of this was all for this. Was all for this. Like I could die today, and this is what I do it for. Morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today I finally make it up early. You watched yesterday's vlog for my birthday. You know, I was trying to wake up early to work on this project. I'm working on a project that's gonna help people turn their dreams, turn their life, turn their skill sets into money. The same thing that I've been doing with trading is the same thing I'm gonna be teaching other people to do. Now, it's not gonna be out right now. It's just something I'm working on, trying to get it all outlined, trying to get the content created, kind of get it all structured. It's gonna take some time nonetheless, but I wanted to start while I'm in Miami. I wanted to start while I got the inspiration and the motivation. Whenever you guys have an idea, whenever you guys have a thought that's something that you should do, something you wanna do it. Don't wait, take action now, because trust me, you may not have that same motivation in an hour and 2 hours in a day. Start now. So with that being said, I'm about to hop on my computer and start now. Start creating more content now. Start giving value now. And then in about an hour, we got to trade with the team live with VIP. It's going to be a great day. And I got another crib. So we're not leaving Miami yet. We got another penthouse coming soon. So time to get to work. Just got done the recording. I recorded maybe like 5-6 different clips for the project. About to go downstairs, get the call and everything, just because it's a little windy and the lighting isn't really the best for the vlog style content up here right now. But nonetheless, we about to go downstairs, get active with the team. It's time to make some money now. I was able to create some content. I got my speaking out the way for the morning. Now it's time to give value to the team. Right now, we about to get this call started. VIP call's actually already started, but I'm actually about to get on the live call and everything, just chilling and everything. We got another Airbnb, so we're not leaving Miami just yet. Not sure if I told you guys or not. Staying here one more night. We got one more penthouse. We're probably gonna go 5 times higher, 5 times, hopefully 6-7 times. Ride don't stop though. Woke up, gave value. We about to continue to give value, and now we go see if we can make some money to afford all this shit back. Nonetheless though, I'm still just patiently waiting. Oh, start rejecting shit. Because that 1 hour gap is the only area I have. There's no 4 hour, no 3 hour, no nothing above. Once it can come down to the high of that gap, I'll get them. The high of this gap, meaning, what price is this? 824. Did it a few times, but this is just up and down, and I'm on the hour time frame, so that's how I know it's moving. At least I ain't lose money. But nonetheless, the trade's playing out. I just didn't get the entry. I could have been in that. Damn. Carol, it left you too? It left you too, Carol? Damn, we all getting left behind. That's tough. Dyson, you said you in it? That's real tough. That is super tough. I ain't gonna lie, bro. We took no trades. We had that NAS trade idea. The NAS trade idea was a great idea nonetheless. It came to the area, and as soon as it tapped into it, it started rejecting. I tried to give it some time. Sometimes being patient isn't always gonna give you the results that you want. I was patient and I missed my trade. It is what it is. Gotta eat that, but I gotta check out this Airbnb. We had an active chat. I talked about a whole bunch of stuff with them. We were even like going back into time. Like I was looking at photos from, look at this, June 12th, 2020. I was looking at pictures in Miami. June 12th, like I'm over here studying, like looking at my effects book. Over here, what else am I doing on this day? This is like, I'm trading June 12th. This is the day I created an account under my grandma's name, because you gotta be 18 to make a broker account. I was 17 when I was learning how to trade. I was 17 already looking at being in Miami. I was 17 looking at Rolls Royces, looking at trying to make money online. I was willing to illegally do it at that, but you didn't hear that from me. Neither here nor there. I'm 22 now. I'm legal. But like I said, we gotta get out this Airbnb. We got a penthouse somewhere out there. You can't see it, but we got a penthouse coming out there. Leaving. Bye-bye view. On to the next one. Here, I need one of these. It looks like an AMG 53, even if it's a 43. That's just better than my CC 300. All right, so we just left. We can't check into the Airbnb yet. We were supposed to be able to check in from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., but they capped. They lied to me. So waiting for it to get cleaned and everything, but it's all good. They got to clean the penthouse. I got more information. It's on the 47th floor. 47th floor, big boy. We're not at the top of the building, but we're damn near close enough. It's a 2-bedroom also, and this guy's in the middle of the street wilding out. Bro must want to get hit by a car. But right now we about to go to the mall. It's a whole 30-minute drive. We're about 15 minutes close. So we're about to get some food. Then hopefully by that time after we chill, the downside to all this is we have the dogs with us. That's the whole negative. It was also just raining. It was just fucking pouring. But we got the dogs with us, and that's the downside. So bringing the dogs to the mall, get some food, and then hopefully get to this Airbnb. So you guys, like I said, stay tuned. You're gonna see another nice crib. The views are gonna be crazy. Great water. I need to walk this every day. No cap. Need to walk this shit every day. But we're staying over here, the Icon. We got the penthouse up there somewhere. Somewhere in the sky, we gonna be staying. Got food. You guys seen the food that we got already before. Got the jerk spot. Good food. Good food. And you didn't go bathroom. What a good girl. Recognize this, but when I was here like a month ago when my car had broke down, this is the gas station I took it to. I remember because this 10X house building was there. I just turned into the wrong lot. Tough, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pull in this way, reverse into this thing. My girlfriend right now is inside the store. I got the dogs. So yeah, just waiting to be able to check into this Airbnb homeless. Homeless until the penthouse. She just got done talking with the lady. We about to go to unit 47th floor. We damn near penthouse. Damn near penthouse. Here we go. Woo. Okay. Walk in. What's over here? That shit locked. My fault. Okay, we come over. We got bedroom. Ooh. 1 bedroom. This view is crazy. Oh yeah, we in the sky for real. But this is bedroom number 1. Boom. Pretty sure this is bathroom or closet. Come over here. Oh, you see a little bit. Bathroom. Gotta use that. Ooh. Penthouse for real. Give me that. Oh my God. What's in this? Lot 2. My fault. Now this shit is crazy, bro. This is real life penthouse. I try to tell you, a penthouse, my boy. I try to tell you, a little. Come on now. Big boy, look, you can see the SMR building. That's where we were standing before. Big dog status. Big dog. Then we come to the bathroom. Look at this, my boy. And we made it to the penthouse. You can probably see it a little bit behind me. Are you guys seeing like the actual phone recording when I came in for the first time? But we got all the bags in here now. We got the dogs and everything. I'm gonna give you a nice little tour when it comes to the nice camera now. But it's all white. That's the one thing I like about this Airbnb. It's something I just like about in apartments in general. For one, the floor to ceiling windows. The fact that I'm talking to you right now and there's all this natural lighting in here is amazing. And I'm also overlooking everything. Like everything possible. I see an airplane that's not that far away. He's not that high above me. Look at this though. Floor to ceiling. Like I said, look at that plane. He's not even that far away. This was crazy. I like that Aston Martin building. The amount of videos I've watched of tours in this building is crazy. Look, you can even see all the way up here on top of this building. So where we were walking earlier, I said it a little bit ago, this is where we were walking with the dogs and everything. But this is crazy. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. We got the 1 bedroom over here, which I just came from. This is the master bedroom. You got the crazy views. You got the bathroom over here. You know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. But look at this. I'm about to put you guys out the window. Look at this shit. That shit crazy. Now I'm gonna bring it inside before I drop that joint. But come over here. We got a long hallway where the dogs are. Boom. We got another bedroom. Yo, that door a little scary. Is that why they had it on it?
They ate it.
So guess we gotta keep that closed. We only come in this room from over here. But it's a 2-bedroom. You got the balcony. Look at this. You can see so far over there. You can see the construction workers. We're above the crane. Everything. You can just see it all. What you think about it? What's your thoughts?
Save the best for last. Good views, good aesthetic, clean vibes, little painting asset. What is it?
Painting is cool.
Accents.
Low.
Accents.
Low money, John. There's one over there. All we need. Love is all we need. Follow your dreams. It's
Look
like
at
a
this.
little Miami, John. Yeah, we don't even
Great.
got nothing to drink, but stuff to drink. You want to drink?
Outlet in the floor.
Outlet in the floor. Porno.
And no, the best part, it just gets better on better. But this, look at this. There's a mirror in the bathtub. And the bathtub has jets. Jets.
Do it have jets?
Yes, they all have jets. They all, look.
Oh, is it in the floor?
Yeah.
Hey, yo, them jets gonna go in your booty. What the? I know that was a jet.
Yeah. The two sinks.
But this
The
over here,
closet.
you got the mic, come here. This I don't understand. What is this?
It probably expands well. You gotta turn it on.
Look at this. What is this, bro? Hold on. Turn it on. I gotta see.
Luna.
Yo. Get out. You gonna
Luna,
get wet,
come on, come
dog.
on. Out.
You don't want this. We about to see if this fully expand or not. No, what you trying to do, bro? Yo, you trying to set me up? Yo, what you doing? I gotta get him. But I'm going to the top.
Move that. Just move it. Move it.
I mean, this
I
is
just got myself soaked.
soaking everything. Look, I'm about to hit something here. Cool, I'm about to hit some.
No, Andre.
This view is crazy. Like, this might even be the thumbnail. Something crazy. I need to even, like, you guys don't even realize how wide scale this really is. It's crazy, but we gotta go get some food. We got our amenity cars. We're about to just enjoy the last day that we have here. This is like the real last day, so enjoy, get some food, and see what the rest of the night brings. Camera died and the charger is inside of the car, so right now we about to head to, you probably see it on the camera, we about to head down towards Miami Beach. We're gonna try to get some food. Oh, yeah, it's about to be a whole lot of traffic. Yo, these planes be mad close. Like, look at that, bro. Change our mind on getting food right now. We know what we're gonna get. We're gonna end up probably getting Fleming's. But first, we're gonna go enjoy the spa. There's a spa here at the Icon. We've stayed here before, but we never did the spa. So I think it's right now that we have the Penthouse vibes. This is a crazy view. Like, the main reason, bro, I do any of this was all for this. Like, I could die today, and this is what I do it for. Not saying I'm gonna stop doing what I'm supposed to do, because it's way deeper. Because now that I achieve my goals, now that I'm achieving my goals, it's time to focus on the bigger picture, helping other people, focusing on the purpose. All the materialistic stuff is cool. Once I have the things such as I have a place where I'm okay with 100% living, like I'm content with what I have living wise. Right now I'm not. If I had something like this, it'd be a different story. I might be more content. If I had a nicer car, then I would only be worried about changing lives. I would only be worrying about doing good for other people. But I ain't there yet, unfortunately. I'm gonna continue to give my life to you guys, continue giving value to you guys, continue giving the information that's changed my life to you guys. So, just every day, man, every day. The content right now, I'm just enjoying it. This is the fruits of the labor. This is the fruits of the labor, bro. Two bedroom in the sky. This is the fruits of labor. Anybody, if you wanna think it's possible, if you don't know if it's possible, it's possible, trust me. I'm no different than you. I just turned 22 from Philadelphia, bro. All right, just got back from the spa. The spa was kind of thorough, I ain't gonna lie. I had like a cold plunge, a hot tub, and I'm not sure what the other tub was, but there was like 6 different people in it, so we didn't get to try that one out. We're probably gonna go back in the morning more than likely. They open at 6 a.m., so when I wake up early to work on the project that I've been working on every day so far, I'm gonna go to do that afterwards, cold plunge. Definitely be a good way to wake up and go at like 6 a.m. so nobody gonna be there. At least I think nobody will be there. We're in Miami and the people here is a different caliber. They wake up earlier, they go to the gym, they work out, they make more money. So it might be a lot more people there than we expect, to be honest, but we gonna see. It was good. If I can cold plunge every day, that'll definitely make my life very different. Because it felt good. Like, it doesn't feel good in the moment, but after the fact, it feels great. They also had the hot tub. The hot tub's cool, but the cold plunge, that's what I need. Like, if I had the room on the balcony in like the new spot that we're gonna be getting, I would definitely get a cold plunge. I probably just have to do like a trash can with ice and water. So, hey, but it works and it works. You guys can see the view and everything in the background a little bit. I'll show like the nighttime skyline because I know a lot of you guys like to see the nighttime view. That's something I personally love. And you can even see Luna in the background. It's nice here. Very, very nice, very nice. But something like this to live in is very expensive. Like, people don't realize how much something like this really costs. It's a lot. Like, a lot of these are condos too. Like, they're not even really like hotels or nothing. It's just condos. People own these and they rent them out and they just make their money back on it. So it makes sense for them. But for someone that's just trying to live here, not rent it out, it costs a whole lot of money to live in something like this. But we're about to go get some food either at Fleming's, but they close soon, so we're not sure if we're gonna eat there or not. But we're gonna see. Nonetheless, we're gonna get some good food since it's the last night here. Enjoy it. We're gonna walk somewhere because the valet is like $24. It's probably gonna be more money by the time it's in the morning. It's probably gonna be like $50 in the morning, but the valet tax, and I thought it was gonna be like I could pay for the day, like basically pay one fee and just come in and out, just have like a day rate. Nah, they charge me every time I leave. So if I want to leave and come back, leave and come back, leave and come back, I'm getting charged every single time. And I'm not trying to get waxed on the last day here. So the car is staying parked until the morning, until we leave, until we go the fuck home. So yeah, but nonetheless, like I said, we'll get some food and then I'll come back and end the vlog off. It was a smooth day. There was a lot of waiting around trying to get into the Airbnb, but it was worth it. The main stuff is gonna be tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna spend like 2-3 hours just getting straight work done. I'm gonna go from working on the project to going to the cold plunge, gym, workout, do some burpees, then VIP session. After the VIP session, then it's gonna be time to go home. But then we're back to work nonetheless. But let's go get some food. Right now I went to the other bedroom inside of the penthouse just because my girlfriend's sleeping right now. It's about 12 o'clock at night. It's real late. As you guys know, this is a late upload, but nonetheless, I can't miss out on the day. I don't care how late it is. There's gonna be a video posted because you know why? I'm not posting it to get views. I'm posting it to continue building consistency, continue building discipline by doing the daily task I promised to myself. So with that being said, I'm gonna end the video off. And just so you know, if you stuck to the end of the video, you're gonna get the nighttime view. You're gonna get the nighttime view. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. If you want to learn how to trade, my concepts, my strategies, my systems, the free trading course, the free trading webinars, got everything you need. But when you're ready to join a team of like-minded individuals that you can grow with, that you can take our trades, that you can learn with us and trade with us, join the VIP Trader Network, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Enjoy these videos.